If you're looking for a stylish stage for your screen, then you need a high-quality TV stand, but which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 TV stands available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We consider their qualities, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best TV stands. The 5th product on this list is the Yaheetech Industrial TV Stand. Prepare to elevate your living space with the Yaheetech Industrial TV Stand. This piece is a perfect blend of industrial flair and functionality. Its dimensions, 55.12 inches in length by 15.75 inches in width and 24.21 inches in height, comfortably hold TVs up to 65 inches and 66 pounds, guaranteeing a dependable home entertainment hub. Those X-shaped side structures? They're not just there for looks. They add a dash of industrial cool while boosting stability. And here's the fun part. This stand is a true chameleon. It effortlessly fits in as a TV console, coffee table, or a stylish touch in bedrooms, living rooms, or even offices. Putting it together? A breeze. You've got instructions, a helpful video, and an accessory kit to keep things smooth. The metal framework with its trusty powder coating ensures this stand's got your back in the durability department. And the laminated top and shelves? Water resistant and easy to keep looking spick and span. Oh, and let's talk vibes. The weathered accents on this stand dial up the rustic charm, making it an A-list player in both lodge-inspired and modern farmhouse interiors. So, if you're on the hunt for a TV stand that rocks sturdy construction, practical smarts, and an everlasting allure, the Yaheetech Industrial TV Stand is your golden ticket. Spruce up your decor and entertainment game in one fell swoop. Its pros are: it is suitable for TVs up to 65 inches and 66 pounds, accommodating a wide range of television models. It has X-shaped side structures that enhance stability and strength, adding an industrial touch to the aesthetic, and it has clear instructions, a guidance video, and an accessory kit, making assembly hassle-free. However, it has an open design that might not be ideal for those looking to conceal clutter or accessories. The Yaheetech Industrial TV Stand is an excellent choice for individuals seeking a versatile and stylish solution to accommodate their entertainment system. Up next in 4th place is the Modway Render. This unit is here to dazzle you with the fusion of retro vibes and modern smarts. This TV stand is like a time machine that brings the groovy mid-century charm right into your living space. Get ready to be swept off your feet. Check out that low-profile silhouette, those tapered legs, and that flared profile. It's like a blast from the past that's partying with contemporary style. And hey, it's not just a looker. This stand means business. The frame's a tough cookie with its natural wood grain laminate. This baby's built to go the distance. But wait, there's more. It's not just about style, it's about getting things done. Those slatted sliding doors, they're not just cool, they're hiding adjustable shelves on both ends, giving you tons of room for all your media stuff and accessories. And that center glide drawer? It's your best buddy for keeping things organized. Oh, and the center shelf? That's like the cherry on top for even more storage magic. Plus, there's a sneaky cable management hole to keep those cords under control and your setup clutter-free. Living room? Check. Bedroom? Check. Lounge area? You bet. This TV stand can handle TVs up to 64 inches, making it the ultimate entertainment centerpiece. And those dimensions, 13.5 inches in length by 58.5 inches in width and 17 inches height, means that it's like the stand was custom made to fit into your modern decor dreams. So, my style savvy friends, if you're on the hunt for that perfect blend of pizzazz and practicality for your modern home, look no further than the Modway Render mid-century modern TV stand. It's not just a piece of furniture, it's a vibe, a statement, and a functional masterpiece all rolled into one. Get ready to level up your entertainment game. Its pros are: it has a mid-century modern aesthetic, tapered legs, and walnut grain laminate, giving your living space a trendy and retro-inspired look. It has a sturdy particle board frame and wood legs to ensure longevity, and it is designed for TVs up to 64 inches. It's suitable for various rooms, including living rooms, bedrooms, and lounges, adding functionality to different spaces. However, it may require assistance to assemble. The Modway Render is an excellent choice for someone who has just moved into a new house and wants a stylish centerpiece for the living room. Still haven't found a TV stand that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the WLIVE TV Stand. Get ready to jazz up your living space with the WLIVE TV Stand with LED lights. It's like style and functionality had a baby and named it fantastic. Seriously, folks, this stand isn't just furniture. It's a fashion statement with a side of practicality. And let's not forget those LED lights. They're the cool factor that takes this stand from meh to oh yeah. TV up to 70 inches? No sweat. This stand's got you covered, no matter if your room is big or cozy. And those LED lights, they're not just any lights, my friend. They're like your personal mood setters, offering a rainbow of colors and modes. It's like a disco for your TV time. Now let's talk storage. We're talking 2 big drawers and 7 open storage shelves. A paradise for all your media gadgets and gaming gear. And those glass shelves, they're like a VIP section for your collectibles, giving your setup an elegance boost. And guess what? This stand isn't just a pretty face. It's made from top-notch particle board and tempered glass, so it's tough and stable. Oh, and the anti-scratch, easy-to-clean surface? It's like it's saying, go ahead, enjoy me without worrying about the mess. Whether you're binging movies, owning the gaming realm, or just showing off your awesome decor, this TV stand is your modern, minimalist wingman. It's like a style genie that grants both aesthetics and function wishes. So go ahead, let the WLIVE TV stand with LED lights work its magic on your living room. Its pros are, it has a sleek and modern design with LED lights that adds a stylish touch to any living space. It has 2 spacious drawers and 7 open storage shelves. It offers plenty of space to organize media devices, and it is scratch-resistant and waterproof finish ensures durability and easy cleaning, making it a practical and long-lasting furniture piece. However, it comes in parts and requires assembly, which might take some time and effort. The WLIVE TV stand offers ample storage, adjustable ambient lighting, and a sturdy build. The second product on this list is the Walker Edison Wren Classic 4. This bad boy is the ultimate fusion of style and function, and it's here to spruce up your living space game. Brace yourself, folks. We're about to dive into TV stand paradise. Let's talk about numbers. 25 inches in height by 15.75 inches in depth and 58.25 inches length. That's not just any size, it's the perfect platform for your TV up to 65 inches. And oh, the storage. Open cubbies and adjustable shelves are your organizing BFFs. Say goodbye to cable chaos thanks to those sneaky cord management ports. But wait, there's a twist, and it's a fiery one. This TV stand comes with a built-in electric fireplace. Yeah, you heard that right. It's like having a mini cozy campfire right in your living room. You can control the faux flames and heat separately, adding both visual charm and warmth to your space. And did I mention it can heat up to 400 square feet? Colder months just got a whole lot cozier. So what's the magic recipe here? Modern design? Check. Smart storage? Double check. The charming fireplace feature? Triple check. The Walker Edison Wren TV stand is basically a superhero in the world of home entertainment. Whether you're diving into movie night or simply want to add a sprinkle of toasty goodness to your space, this stand is your ticket to style and practicality in one glorious package. Its pros are, it has a modern design with a touch of rustic farmhouse aesthetics blending well with various interior styles. It has 4 open cubbies and adjustable shelves. There's plenty of space to organize electronics, decor, and media components. And it comes with a very thorough instruction booklet that's pretty easy to follow. However, the electric fireplace option needs to be plugged into an actual outlet, not an extension cord. The Walker Edison Wren Classic 4 is an ideal choice for individuals seeking a rustically stylish and functional entertainment center. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top TV stand is the Svensson Home Marche. Hold on to your hats, entertainment enthusiasts, because the Svensson Home Marche TV stand is about to blow your socks off. This isn't just any TV stand. It's the TV stand dreams are made of. Let's dive into what makes this beauty a true standout. Picture this, an antique silver finish that's basically a work of art, inspired by the allure of Parisian antique markets. And those intricate design details, they're like a symphony of sophistication, bringing a transitional style that's both classic and oh so modern. And oh, that slightly distressed finish? It's like a secret ingredient that adds a dash of vintage charm to the mix. But hold on, because the magic doesn't stop there. Trellis glass doors? Check. Turned bun feet? Double check. Architectural moldings? Triple check. This TV stand is like a masterpiece gallery right in your living space. Now let's talk practicality. Those 2 large cabinets? They've got your back with tempered glass doors featuring that stunning trellis design. Open them up and you'll find not just storage but adjustable shelves to house your TV, audio gear, and gaming treasures. And hey, no cable chaos here. Vertical cable management cutouts are your ticket to cable zen. Here's where it gets even more remarkable. This TV stand isn't just a one-trick pony. It's versatile enough to be your entertainment console, your entry hall superstar, or even your dining room MVP. And those 65-inch flat panel TVs, they fit like a glove. So to sum it up, the Svensson Home Marche TV stand isn't just furniture. It's a masterpiece of style and function. If you're all about timeless elegance that makes a statement, this is your golden ticket. Get ready to watch, play, and live in style like never before. Its pros are: it can be used as an entertainment console, entry hall credenza, sideboard, or dining room server, offering flexibility in placement. It has 2 large cabinets featuring adjustable shelves. It provides ample space to store TV components. It is easy to assemble, allowing you to set it up quickly without extensive hassle, and it has vertical cable management cutouts to ensure a tidy and organized setup. However, it requires regular cleaning to maintain transparency and visual appeal. The Svensson Home Marche is an excellent choice for those seeking a blend of elegance and durability. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.